हेलो, वी आर बैक। और आज ना बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ की बात होने वाले है। वैसे तो हमेशा मैं यही बोलता हूँ, बट आज कुछ खास ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कोई किसी को क्यों पसंद करता है ना। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है ना। और एज ऑलवेज मेरे साथ है मेरी साइकोलॉजी गुरु, साइकोलॉजिस्ट टू बी वेरी सून, निहारिका। और इसने कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें सीखी है रिसेंटली अबाउट वाई एंड हाउ वी लाइक ईच अदर। उसके पीछे क्या रीजंस हो सकते हैं, उसके पीछे क्या लॉजिक साइकोलॉजिकल रीजंस हो सकते हैं, इसकी हम बात करेंगे। इंटरेस्टिंग राइट। तो अगर इसके बारे में और सुनना है तो स्टे ट्यून। निहारिका, क्यों हम एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं? व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
Well, liking has a lot of factors involved to it. बहुत लोग बोलते हैं opposites attract, which was one of my biggest surprises when I was studying this, is that that's actually not true. So, जितना मूवी में दिखाया होता है, the shy girl and the outgoing guy, it's not really like that.
Not very true and not always true.
Yeah. So there are roughly 5. There's proximity, there's similarity, there's reciprocity, physical attractiveness as always, and personality.
Okay, 5
5.
5 ओके। तो एज ऑलवेज हम एक एक
Yes.
डिस्कस करेंगे। बताइए।
We'll start with physical attractiveness because that's pretty understood.
Obvious,
We can say, yeah.
straightforward, हाँ।
Somebody who you find attractive, you will tend to like. And it also goes both ways, that if you find somebody attractive, you like them. But if you like somebody, you find them more attractive. It's called the halo effect also. So you ignore a little,
Correct.
a few of their flaws just because you like them.
Agreed. And I think this is so true. Look at some of the celebrities, ठीक है। So you start liking them maybe because of their acting skills, या फिर उनका जो कैरेक्टर है वो resonate होता है आपके साथ।
Yes.
And suddenly you start finding that person good looking also, attractive also. So I think this happens. This is a very obvious or an experience which most of us have felt.
And it goes both ways as well. If there's somebody who is objectively attractive, you tend to think that they would also be a nice person. So even if you look at someone who's good looking, you like them because you think they are a good person because they're good looking.
Wow. और एक अपने आप एक सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर भी आ जाता है उनकी तरह, है ना।
Yes.
सुंदर है तो जैसे अगर बटरफ्लाई है तो उसको मारने का मन नहीं करता,
पर कॉकरोच
को मारने का करता है। आजकल वो वाला मीम बहुत चल रहा है ना इंस्टा पे। एनीवे, तो ये है अपना फिजिकल अट्रैक्टिवनेस, राइट।
Personality is also on the same lines. You tend to like somebody who has a more outgoing personality. Somebody who is talking about the ocean model. There's 5 like big factor like personality traits. Unme se one of them is extroversion and another one is agreeableness. So people who are typically high on these 2 traits, they tend to be more likable.
Okay.
So agreeableness is basically getting.
I agree.
Yeah. Basically,
agree.
yes.
ठीक है।
And also people who have like more social connections, they also tend to be more likable.
अच्छा, मतलब जो ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ रह रहा है तो you obviously associate that with this is a likable person. इतने लोगों के साथ है तो कुछ तो अच्छा ही होगा, that kind of thing in the back of your mind.
Also कि that they have connections and that by establishing a relationship with them, you will also gain those connections.
हाँ, तो वो भी इफेक्ट है उसका।
Yes.
बट एक बात बताओ, जस्ट कमिंग टू मी नाउ, अगर एक्सट्रोवर्ट लोग जनरली लाइकेबल होते हैं आप कह रहे हो, बट अगर मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ तो भी ये मेरे लिए होता है क्या? क्योंकि ऑपोजिट अट्रैक्ट्स में नॉट बी ट्रू, आपने कहा था थोड़े टाइम पहले।
It may not be true, but to some extent. Again, extroversion, that's a different conversation, but it's a whole spectrum. So it depends on where you lie on the spectrum as well.
Okay, we'll come to that when we talk about opposites. ठीक
Yes.
है। तो ये हो गया आपका लाइक
Personality.
हो गया।
On a whole.
फिर
also in personality, it's a very interesting thing that narcissism as a personality trait initially does affect liking
which way?
in a positive way.
Positive way.
Yes.
Wow.
So if
didn't know
you project yourself as being greater than others, people actually believe that, and they think that you are greater than others, and they start to like you.
Wow.
But if it goes on for a long period of time, then they start to dislike you.
ओ माय गॉड, मतलब शुरू में ठीक है, ज़्यादा डोंट स्ट्रेच इट,
Yeah,
ठीक है.
basically. Yeah. Then there's proximity. This
ठीक है.
is quite typically seen in the starting part of any relationship, like a friendship or a relationship. You're more likely to establish a relationship with someone who's closer than you.
Right.
So it was seen that in a classroom, children are most likely to make friends with their benchmate rather than somebody who's sitting 2 benches behind them. So even if they are in the same class, in the same room.
मेरा बेंचमेट अभी तक मेरा फ्रेंड है. Agreed.
Exactly.
हाँ.
So there's also a theory called mere exposure. So I don't know if you would relate to this, but in a college campus, when you're roaming around and everywhere you see just one familiar face everywhere. So if you're going to the canteen, you see that person. If you're going to the bus, you see that person. If you're going to the library, you see that person. They're not in your class, not in your stream, but you still see that person everywhere.
Right.
So you're more likely to develop a liking for them also.
ओ, तो एक एसोसिएशन बन जाता है.
Unconsciously, yes.
हाँ, सबकॉन्शियसली, अनकॉन्शियसली. ओके. ये मुंबई के लोकल में काफ़ी होता होगा ये. होता है ना, सेम लॉजिक ना. Oh, good. I got that.
Because it kind of develops a sense of familiarity.
Familiarity.
And because of that, you think, okay, this is like, I know this person. Even if you haven't spoken to them, you just see them. It's a familiar face. So it kind of creates a sense of comfort in
ठीक है.
you. And
I think
also,
relatable है.
it increases the anticipation of an interaction.
हाँ, बार देख रहा है तो हाँ, बात हो
शायद
सकती है,
बात
होती
होगी,
है,
हाँ.
और होती भी है काफ़ी बार, या
हो जाती है
सकती
eventually,
है.
yes.
ठीक है. सो ये है proximity.
Proximity.
Got it.
Then there is reciprocity.
Okay.
Reciprocity means that we like people who like us.
हाँ.
And people also like us if we like them.
Both ways.
Yeah. And an important part of reciprocity is a concept called disclosure. So disclosure is basically when you share important aspects or information of your life. So like those typical, you're my best friend, I tell you all my secrets. That is what disclosure is. And disclosure also functions on the principle of reciprocity.
तो मतलब अगर मैंने अपना कुछ सीक्रेट तुम्हें बताया तो यू आर ऑल्सो लाइकली टू शेयर योर सीक्रेट विथ मी, यही है ना?
Yes.
आई थिंक होता है.
And the more people share these secrets, the more likely they are
तो
to
और बॉन्ड
like
वो
each other.
स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. दे
Yes.
स्टार्ट लाइकिंग ईच अदर मोर.
More and more, yeah.
ठीक है. क्या
That's-
अग्रीएबल
That's reciprocity.
रेसिप्रोसिटी. ठीक है. और
And last one was similarity.
3 हो गए अपने. We did 3.
What did we leave?
We did reciprocity, we did just now. We did proximity and like
Attractiveness, personality.
हाँ.
4.
अच्छा, वो 2 अलग अलग है
Yes.
क्या? अट्रैक्टिव, पर्सनैलिटी. फिर 5वां कौन सा है फिर?
Similarity.
सिमिलैरिटी. ओके.
This is where we come back to opposites don't really necessarily attract.
हाँ, तो ये क्या है?
People who are, when at the start of an interaction, people tend to start it off with, oh, you also like this, oh, you're also like this, अच्छा तुम भी पुणे से हो, अच्छा तुम भी मुंबई से हो. So they initially need to establish similarity for a conversation to go further, for it to develop into liking.
ओके.
So what we learned, this is one like typical statement, likeness breeds liking. So similarity will
Okay.
give rise to
लाइकिंग.
liking someone.
ओके. तो कुछ ना कुछ सिमिलैरिटी अगर होती है, कॉमन थ्रेड होता है, देन यू स्टार्ट एसोसिएटिंग बेटर एंड देन लाइकिंग ईच अदर बेटर. आई थिंक मेक सेंस, क्योंकि ऑपोजिट अट्रैक्ट, मतलब मैंने भी जितना देखा है ना रियल लाइफ में, इट्स नॉट सो ट्रू. आई थिंक एटलीस्ट सम फंडामेंटल्स हैव टू बी सिमिलर
Yes.
एंड देन यू कैन हैव ऑपोजिट्स एट द सरफेस लेवल इन टर्म्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, जो मैंने देखा है.
The point of this is that at the starting, for you to be able to like someone, they need to be similar. After you already like them, then you
फिर
begin
ठीक
to
है.
kind of accept कि
Agree,
ठीक है,
understood.
because I like you, I will let go of this
कुछ चीज़ें
difference that
होती
we
है.
have.
राइट. बट फंडामेंटली कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन थ्रेड होनी
Yes.
चाहिए, दैट इज योर
And they need to be
Similar.
core values.
core values should be similar. हाँ, ये this is what I was trying to say through experience. Of course, you understand the science
Theories.
behind it, but whatever I have seen through experience, ना कि जो फंडामेंटल वैल्यूज है अगर वो सिमिलर होगी तभी आप आगे जा सकते हो उस रिलेशन में. इफ़ आई एम ऑनेस्ट एंड यू आर डिसऑनेस्ट, नहीं होगा वो, शुरुआत से ही फ्रिक्शन हो जाएगा, लाइकिंग नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता उसके.
Exactly.
सो सर्टन वैल्यूज हैव टू बी सिमिलर
Right.
एंड देन यू कैन हैव डिसिमिलर इंटरेस्ट. जैसे मुझे मूवीज़ में लेटर से थ्रिलर पसंद है, किसी को रोमांटिक मूवी पसंद है, ये सब हो सकता है, बट फंडामेंटली तो चीज़ें सिमिलर होनी चाहिए.
Also, the topic of dissimilarity, how important it is to the individual, that matters.
Very important point.
So, if it's one of my core values that you have to like thriller movies, otherwise I can't be friends with you,
yeah.
and you
Okay,
don't like thriller movies,
Yeah, it
then
could be like music. अगर आपको म्यूजिक पसंद ही नहीं है और मैं म्यूजिक जीता हूँ तो फिर नहीं होने वाला.
it depends on how extreme that particular value is
Yeah, agreed.
in an individual.
So similarity,
Yeah,
quite
opposites don't
good.
attract.
opposite don't attract. Yeah, this is the takeaway. Opposites don't really attract that much. थोड़ा फिल्म वालों को बताना पड़ेगा ये कि थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन करो यार ये चीज़, है ना.
Right.
और यही है बात.
That's mostly about it. Yeah.
That's the crux of it, no?
Yeah.
How people like each other. So guys, this is what happens behind liking a person. I'm sure you would have experienced this, right? तो आपका भी एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो कमेंट्स वगैरह में. इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हो यार, कुछ तो कमेंट करो. कितने लेजी होते जा रहे हो आप लोग. चलो नेक्स्ट टाइम विल टॉक अ लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट लव. ठीक है, ऑन दैट नोट साइनिंग ऑफ.